Good morning children, welcome to your science class. Last lesson we have completed now? Yes, if you have any doubts, you can ask me, okay? And now we are moving to your next lesson. Our next lesson is reflection of light. Our next lesson is reflection of light. This is, okay, from this, you know a little bit, you have studied in your 6th class. What is that? Shadow. We have read about shadow now, how the shadows are formed. Okay, to form a shadow, what you require? Light, object and a screen. Yes, last year you have learnt about how a shadow is formed. For forming shadow, light is required. Yes. Now, this year and this lesson you will read about light. How is light getting reflected? Okay, knowingly or unknowingly, you will be playing with the light reflections. Okay, now with the mirror you will take and you will try to focus like this now. Okay, a light will get focused and you will play with that. Yes, with mirror, with ID cards. In school also you will play. Yes, the plane surfaces, they will get reflected. Light will get reflected when it falls. Okay, about that this year you will be reading in this lesson. Now first, I told you now, to form a shadow you require light, source and screen. Okay, these three you require to form a shadow. Here light is we are studying about. Okay, next one. To explain about the reflection, okay, we will do one activity. Okay, take a, to see the light. Normal examples we will see first. Okay, early in the morning when sun rises, sunrise tries to fall in your house from the main door. Okay, from the east facing side. Yes, when you open a little bit, sun rays from the little place it will try to come and fall in the house. How it is how is the light traveling? Like this in curves it is traveling? No. Straightly the light travels and falls. Yes. Now you are focusing a torch. How is the light rays going? Straight? Okay, they are not going in waves, curves. Okay, it is moving straight. Okay, one more example. If you are having any asbestos, if there is one small hole in the noon time, okay, light will fall straight now from that hole. Light will fall straight. That whole size same you will have the light. Okay, and many times even you will play also. Okay, now we will have a activity to show the reflection of light. Take a mirror strip. Here you take a mirror strip. Okay, this is the mirror strip. Take any black paper. Okay, this is a paper. Black paper. Okay, with this black paper you cover this completely. Okay, this mirror, it should be transparent, not mirror. This is not mirror, means we will see in mirror like this now, not that kind mirror. It should be transparent on the both sides. Okay, like my glasses, you see my glasses. Okay, on the both sides you can see from this side, this side. Okay, it should be like this. And take this black paper and cover it. Okay, cover it. Okay, cover it completely and slightly make a slit like this. Okay, when you cover this completely with the black paper, okay, make a slit. Okay, make a slit. Okay, one small gap. And now you take this cover slip or mirror strip and see that sun is falling. Okay, from this side sunlight is falling. What will happen? Sunlight will fall through this slit. Yes, it will come now. From this slit sunlight will travel. Yes or no? Yes. Or else you put a torchlight. What you will do? You will put a torch. Yes. Put a torch. From this slit, same slit, okay, you put a candle or you focus sunlight. Okay, I am putting a torch. Yes, here I am putting torch. The light rays will travel straight and will come outside? Yes, it will come. By this, what can you say? Light always travels in straight line. Light always travels in straight line. Now, with sun you can do, with torch you can do, with cell phone light you can do. Okay. Here we have done like this. It is given in your text. Not necessarily like this. Simply what you do. Okay. Take a cardboard sheet you take. Okay. Make a thin hole. Okay. Take any cardboard sheet and make one hole in the middle. Okay. And go into the house. Switch off all the lights. Okay. Try to focus. Think my textbook is one cardboard sheet. I'll make a hole in the middle. Small hole. And go into the house. Put off all the lights. And try to focus the light like this. What will happen? A small light rays will come outside from this small hole from torchlight which is focused on the cardboard. You will see a straight light beam moving through that. Yes or no? Okay, you try this. From this, what can you say? Light rays travels in straight line. Light rays travels in straight line. If you are doing this activity, do it. Take a photo and send it to me. Okay? Now, incident ray and reflected ray. Now I told light is traveling in straight line. Okay. For this, okay, now you are watching me. You are watching this board. Okay, whatever here, you will be watching. If I put off the lights, I'll close all the windows. Can you see me? I'll make it completely dark. Yes or no? I'll make it completely dark. Can you see me or this board? No. You will be unable to see. Why? Because light is not there. No light is falling on me or on the board. So that you cannot see anything here. When I am owning the light and when I am allowing the light to pass and focus on these things, you are able to see. Yes? Now, what is happening here? Light. This our tube lights or any bulbs, LED bulbs. Okay? When you on, the light rays will fall on that object and it will get reflected to your eyes. Yes? It will get reflected to your eyes. Then you can see the object. How? I will show you. See, I am putting a torchlight here. Here there is ball. Okay, I have offed all lights. Okay, offed all lights. You cannot see the ball. When I am on the light, I could see the ball. How? These light rays will fall on the ball. With this ball, light rays will fall on this ball. And if you are seeing from this side or any side, light rays will fall on this ball and get reflected. Light rays falling on the ball and light rays get reflected to your eye. This is getting reflected. Bouncing. Light falls on the ball and bounces. When you are throwing a ball to the ground, what happens? It will bounce back at the same speed. Same way happens. Light falls. Children, be quiet. Falls on the ball and gets reflected. Okay? This is called reflected ray. What is this? Reflected ray. Reflected ray or reflected light. Okay? Ray or light. Now light is falling on this ball. This is, what is this? Incident. Incident light or incident rays. Okay? I'll explain you again. Light falling, any object. It should fall on that and it should get bounced or reflected. Then only you can see. Otherwise you can't see things. Now you are seeing everything. You are watching this. You are watching house, all the things. How is it happening? Light is getting, okay, reflected back to your eyes. Then only you are seeing. Light is falling on all the objects and they are getting reflected. So you are able to see. Light falling on the object is incident ray. Now the light reflecting from the object is reflected ray. These two names you have to remember. Don't get confused, okay? Don't get confused. If you are not, okay, remembering these names, later you will not understand about the incident angle and reflected angle, okay? Incident ray and reflected ray. Now next, now you have read about incident ray and reflected ray. Now next we will read about what are the angles, okay? We will do one activity. First, draw a normal. Laws of reflection. Next is laws of reflection. Here, draw a one straight line. A, C. Now draw one line at 90 degrees. Okay? Yes? Okay, see this line and this line. This line will be 90 degrees now. Okay. We will take this line as normal. Okay? Now, draw two more lines. Okay? Two more lines. This angle will be 60 degrees. This will be 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why we are drawing this? Okay? To learn the incident ray and reflected ray. I will explain you with example. If I explain you directly, you will not understand laws of reflection. Okay? Laws of reflection. Now, mirror, you are seeing daily your mirror now. In the mirror, your image will fall on the mirror. It is enough, and you can see it. Image is falling on the mirror and it is getting reflected to your eye, so that you can see your face in the mirror. Okay? Did you understand? Okay, now take a mirror. Place it here. Okay, this is your mirror. What is this? Mirror. Yes, this is your mirror. Okay. To this mirror I am drawing a line. I am only drawing. Okay, you take one plain paper, white paper. Now think this board is plain paper. I am keeping mirror here like this. Okay. Think this is mirror. I am keeping the mirror here like this. Right. And I am drawing a line which will intersect this mirror. And I am calling this line as normal. This line is called as normal. Mirror. This is mirror. To that mirror I am drawing a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line which is intersecting the mirror. Okay, this part you understood? Now, place a candle here. I am placing a candle here. Can you see the image in the mirror? You can see how much distance. This is mirror, no? From mirror, the candle is at this distance. Same distance you will see the candle. Yes? Okay, this is this mirror. Okay, I kept my hand here. Inside the mirror, you will see my hand at the same distance back of it now. Yes? Here also happens the same. Okay? Light is falling on the mirror. Okay? Light is falling on the mirror. Here, at the same distance in the mirror, you will see this candle. Yes or no? If you want, you go and stand in front of the mirror, move back and front. Okay? At the same distance in the mirror, you will see your image. Yes? Now, your eyes. Okay? You are standing here. You are standing here. Can you see this candle in the mirror? You can see. I am drawing not your image completely. I am drawing only your eye. Okay? You can see the image. Yes or no? You can see this? Yes. Why not? You will be seeing this. Now, take a mirror. Okay? And draw a perpendicular line. This is our normal. And place a candle. If not candle, you can place any item. Okay? If you understand the concept, you can place any item. Now, this image will fall in the mirror. Okay? In the mirror you will fall. You will see it at Okay, you can see. Now, the image falling on the mirror is incident ray. What is this ray? Incident ray. Image is getting reflected to eye, that is reflected. Reflected ray. Now, here you are having angles. See in your textbook, page number 85. Okay, textbook, page number 85. Okay, textbook, page number 85 you see, ma. Now, this is your angle. You are having angles now. This is one angle and this is one angle. And we are giving names to these angles. What would be the name of this? If you are giving a name, what name you will give? Okay, this is incident ray. So I will give incident angle. This is incident angle. Okay, I will write in shortcut. This is angle. Angle symbol is like this. Incident. I shortcut. And this is reflected ray now. I will write angle. In that I will write R. This is angle symbol. Shortcut of reflected ray I am writing R. So this is incident angle and this is reflected angle. Okay. Incident angle. Angle of incidence. Okay, here I will see. This is angle of incident is, you have to write like this. Angle of reflection you can write like this. Okay, shortcut. Now, did you understand this one? Mirror, you have to draw a normal and place an object. You can see the object in the mirror and you can see. Now you are drawing the, okay, this light is getting, this is falling in the mirror and getting reflected. Incident ray, reflected ray, reflected ray. And this angle, okay, here you are having reflected incident and reflection. Here you are having, why we have drawn normal? Now we have understood. We have drawn normal to take this angle. If you don't draw a normal, how you will take the angle? You can't take. Okay, this is angle of incidence. This is angle of reflection. Now, one more question. Okay, this is getting incident and reflected. Can you say which angle is bigger and which angle is smaller, or both are similar? Homework you have to. Don't read textbook. Don't see in Google. Don't see anywhere. If you know, you answer to me. Okay? If you know, you answer. See. See the distance. Can you tell angle I and angle R are equal? Angle I, angle R are less than or greater than, you have to tell me. From this, which is correct, you have to send me. This is your homework. Don't read from textbook. If you read, you will get it. Okay? If you have understood this, okay, you can answer that. This is your homework. Textbook page 85. Textbook page 85. Okay, you have to draw this diagram. You have to draw. Okay, diagram. And matter you are having must see. Everybody see the textbook page number 85. Matter and diagram. Draw, write, and also give me this answer. Okay? I will see how many I have understood or not. I should know you have understood or not. Okay, children? Thank you.